Hello students, welcome once again to our YouTube channel. See, today I am going to discuss the last month strategy. Okay, see, at my campus here at Turito, several of my students are asking me, so what to do in last month. So now I will be spending 5 minutes, which are going to be really very crucial for you people to like maximize your score with the help of last 1 month. Okay. See, I will say that I'll be categorizing the students into two direct category. One is those who are not well prepared, and another one is those who are well prepared for JEE Mains. Now, the focus is January session, JEE Main session. Okay, so those who are not well prepared as far as mathematics is concerned, so for them I'll be telling first, of course, then I will be coming to those who are really well prepared, and then they have to just increase or boost up their rank, their marks, okay, and maximize it. So those who are not well prepared, I will say just focus on the chapters which I am going to tell you, because earlier also I would have shared the chapters, but now it's the last month, so that's it. So one is matrices and determinants. Do it, because see, these are the chapters which you should and you can do in limited time. Okay, then I will try to share the number of hours which you may spend to finish this chapter and how can you do it. Okay, matrices, determinant, statistics, binomial theorem. So one should be binomial theorem. Then it could be straight lines, rather it should be straight lines, bachcho. Okay, then it can be like differential equation, or first you can go for limits. Okay, and then you can go for differential equations. So let me just a minute. So differential equations, vector algebra, three-dimensional geometry. Okay, then you may go for circle. So these are the bare minimum you need to do before you go for your JEE Mains examination. Okay, now see, now the next question then student asks is that how many marks can I score? See, if you are at the last month of your like exam and you are still unprepared, so don't focus that how many marks you can get. The simple thing is try to maximize what you can get. It may even lead you to some unexpected marks on the positive side of it, of course. You can get some unexpected good marks also. Okay, now see, the strategy should be that you should solve only and only PYQs. Go through the notes of this chapter from wherever you have done your coaching classes, from wherever you have taken your coaching, whosoever have taught you. Go through the notes, revise the notes. Like if you have to start with like matrices and determinants, revise this chapter. Go through the notes thoroughly, solve on your own each and every solved question of your notebook. Whatever the sir has solved in his or her classroom, solve those questions after reading it, solve them on your own, and then you should move to PYQs. And by solving previous year questions, I will suggest you to not to start from very like so years back. You can start from 2022 or even 2023. So I will suggest you to solve just and then move to 2024. Just 2 years, last 2 years questions, or at most last 3 years question you should try to solve. That's it, and start from the previous one. Okay, so that's it. So that's how you need to do. But be careful for binomial. I will say binomial, since the syllabus has been reduced down the line, so I will ask you to solve for 2024 previous year questions only, and the questions which you get based on general term of the expansion and the like the remainder type of questions. So general term for binomial, the questions which are based on general term or finding remainder, or the simple application of binomial. So that's one of the application of binomial expansion. Okay, or like simple series. Simple series means not binomial series of binomial coefficient, but series of binomial where you involve some GP, etc. That's it. Okay, so that's it. So statistics, binomial, straight line, limits, and then you should be doing differential equation, vector algebra, 3D circle. If you are able to complete these many chapters, how many are there? 4 this side, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, basically these are 2 chapters, so 6 this side, normally 9 to 10 chapters. You are going to definitely get at least 10, 11, 12 questions, okay, from these chapters, and that will be sufficient to give you a decent score, bachcho. So that should be the first target, okay. So again I am repeating, the approach should be revise the notes, solve the solved examples of your notes on your own, and then move to previous year question. Don't start from like later years, previous year, like 5-10 years back. No, just start from 2021 or 22, and last 3 years or last 4 years papers are questions will be sufficient, and that's it, okay. And focus on the exact syllabus. Note down the syllabus, take out a screen and paste it on your on your table, study table, on the front wall of the study table, so that you should be able to realize while solving the question that this question is relevant or this question is not relevant. And it's better to select a source where they have mentioned that this is out of syllabus. 2023, there are such sources, I am not going to take any name here, but there are such sources available where they have marked it that it's out of syllabus now for 2024, and now again it will be out of syllabus for 2025. So select that source, okay. So that's it for those who have just like who are not well prepared. And one more thing, one general statement, see, divide your time. You have 10 chapters, you have 30 days. So it's not like you have to divide 3 days. No, not exactly. Binomial, statistics, these are the chapters. Even differential equation, these are the chapters which won't take more than a day, which shouldn't take more than 1 day, which shouldn't take more than 6 hours. Okay, so if you spend 6 hours, if you spread that 6 hours in 2 days, that's another thing. But that won't take more than 6 hours to complete the theory and solve the questions. Okay, so that's it. So it's not like you have to distribute the time evenly. No, there are chapters like 3 dimension, like vector algebra, like circles, like straight line, that will take some more time and limits, of course. And there are chapters like matrices, like determinants, like statistics, like binomial, differential equation, which won't take that much time, bachcho. Okay, so distribute your time accordingly, finish it. And one last thing, that distribute the overall time of the day into maths, physics and chemistry. Chemistry should be given very like highest priority, because if you should concentrate on revising and mugging up the theorem, sorry for theorem because I am a math teacher, but the name reactions, the results, the compound structure, whatever they ask in organic, inorganic, because that will give you direct answer in the examination without spending a lot of time. Okay, so first priority should be chemistry. Like if you are studying for, let's say, if you pledge to study for 13 to 14 hours in a day, so 5 hours or 6 hours for chemistry, then 4-5 hours for maths, and remaining 4-5 hours maybe for physics, bachcho. So that's what I will suggest that you know. Now for those students who are really well prepared, so if you people are well prepared, then of course you would have completed the previous year questions also. Then I will suggest select a source, a new source, from where you will get new questions. Okay, so it shouldn't be a source which you have already done. No, don't revise from that source. Select a source, like you can go for Black Book, or you can even go for GMP, for that Grandmaster package, or any other such source. But be careful, the source should be such that where the questions are limited. You don't have, in every chapter you don't have like 300-400 questions. No, the questions should be limited. Like if you are going for Black Book, if you haven't solved it yet, then you can go for the level 1 of the Black Book of every chapter. Okay, or you are going for any other source. So be careful, select a source which don't have in a chapter more than 60, 70 or 80 questions, because you won't get that much time to solve each and every question, and then which one to leave, which one to solve will be again like a challenge. Okay, so that's it. So now try to give your best, bachcho. Try to solve as many questions as you can, because this momentum will help you in your examination. Go to the examination hall with that momentum, like spending 13, 14, 15 hours daily on practicing and going through the notes and practicing and revision. So with that momentum, if you enter the examination hall the next day, you will be at the best of your mental level, you will be at the best of your preparation, you will be at the best of your enthusiasm, and that will, and of course the confidence also, that will help you in solving the paper, in scoring the best and getting the best score for you, for yourself. Okay, Of course, how to attend the paper in the last moment, that we will discuss later. So that's it for today. So again, best of luck from Turito, from our side, from Purna, from everyone, from my side, from my team, from all the teachers. Best of luck for you people, or rather I will say best of hard work. Luck will follow. That I always used to tell my students, that I always wish you people the best of hard work. Luck will follow by the grace of God. Okay, so chaliye, best of luck bachcho.